Abusiama wakwaba aba too much GH so na masan so ada was say abibia ya ba say ya na wonya bre eni adaje na de hwedwumadi no ede mame ya na ye ni so bebre nti na meka na say me da was nyame ehwa na so nyame ede ache ya so ni say yemra na yemedi enkobo na busia eneme ne apostle bosheba ena ye ba bedi enkobo no na mpenefo say eda pontreni bi wunu sada no ena eri hu ne tente ka me say efri ebra ye sentence chairman wuntimi 20 years meje 20th July ya na eye dwoda na ye sentence ye convicting no man 20 years yes wo kokodam e wo enso mfisa abre no ene ensam no pia na APP e de fa chairman wuntimi ho wo mo a e kire wo madwen e kire wo mo eni ehu ne nti e de nakọ wo mo ehu ne se eyamonyosem wo mo so e de sunsun ani hu ka kire na mri bia wanti wo mo nyina ababonte ya wo mo e kasa wo mo so asusu se chema wontimi ne ne ye bia oyeye ene nkofo bia otieti wo na so e wo na wonyo sema kwantu no e no ka ho bi ene de amuna kwakodu bebia wadom se we nyina ene enkomo a me ne apostle worshipper e ba be bona ayo bi a wo follow me wo se apostle worshipper de e ya na me ne tai edi nkomo yie pa na ne prophecy su bia ni wono mo a wo de atofo ma atoafa ho wo ka asem bi di fa chama wontumi se wo hu se nyame ensa wo ne so obi anyame nsa wo ne so ye na wakakopie mu e wo afiase ya na ka ho ye mo difo akwaba na afi ye ni nkomo odifo
yeah
wakwaba
medase
bibia mo
medase don't cry mo any ahombo bros
de nyame ase
hallelujah
amen odifo wudi nkomo de fa chema wuntimi ho
yeah
ya wo trese wo hu se nyame nsa wo ne so
that's it
afi national chairmanship ya wo pre no APP mu wo hu se waba be fa national chairman no na sabre wakakopie mu ensa wo mi na wo bia nyame nsa wo ne so ana nyame de na ko hye ho no asesa no de na pia na
yeah so all right so I think the emphasis that menyame
amen
na said ya me hu no ne said ya me kan no so no na chire mu
okay
na atiefo ne ahwefo atie ne ye na omohu no si ye ampa me kan se chema wuntumi nyame nsa da no so na nyame nsa da no so
still
that's it
okay
na sanyame nsa da obi so a enkyere sa mane ento no
okay
sanyame nsa da obi so a enkyere sa na nyame nsa da Joseph so ba Joseph ko pie fiase awo Misraim asase so na nene enkyere sa nyame nsa na da no so ne fi no so
okay
na se nyame de ne sie for the season and for the time even though chama wuntumi de na enyi nyame de ne sie I've said that is not the will of God.
Ne prison here wakako.
It is not the will of God. I've said this several times. Because senkanipe tia semwa.
Okay.
Nkawe into chama wuntumi. Messi subie. Senipe tia semwa. Nkawe into chama wuntumi.
Not just a di nkomo kire nipa bi na wo mo antia na wo ne chairman nya akwanya kasaye. Okay.
Michelle come 2024 election, during the election.
2024?
Yes, during the election. And I'm Michelle come. I say, me who say chairman won't to me, Ejina, say na me who at the end of this.
Okay.
2024, na me year directions, Emma MPs be.
Okay.
And that's a more pre or Makunya. Now, NDC for MPs be 30. I be dimmy table so I say me common constituencies.
Okay.
A quiet direction more. And it's in a Michelle home come say MPP for be lose over 30 seats because na me no dey here. So that's here. Enti na me call akosomo. Akoye direction ama the oye MP on that side. Me kwa me do around Japan. Is it Japan? One of the towns. And I'm say me drive me drive.
Okay.
Me kwa na say me ni BA. And I'm say chairman want to me gina prison gate ano. In Sawam.
Okay.
Na prison gate no so no gina gate na no ayi prison officers mienu ejina ne nchen wona me see there binti me pe baby park e na me bomb pie say den e koso na me chiro vision no e de to te me sign by ye no na me be bomb pie na nyame se ya bomb pie ma chema wuntumi a obekọ prison na say ya bomb pie na wanye ho akwankyere na prison gate ni bie na oremu a he is going to prison. But mind you, me who sat na prison gate in MBA.
Okay.
No jina gate na no.
Okay.
And sa video no me be ye wo mama radio na me to ni din say the prison gate.
Okay.
Na me ka se me se chairman wuntumi ejina prison gate ano.
Okay.
Enti enam so ma ne nua kuma I don't know so ye ne nua kuma na ne nua pemba me so se ne nua kuma aye friend of Frank entwi boy siako e frɛ me e ma me ni di nkomo na me ka se nyamensa e wɔ ne nua no so nyamensa wo chairman wuntumi so pa chairman wuntumi ne di a e se wo ye careful because nyamensa wɔ no so.
Okay.
Nyamensa wɔ no so e ma me ni nua no so di nkomo me kyirikyiri mu dia ne papa e ye me urade.
Okay.
Yes. Emma no confirm kyerɛ me. Me hyenkom kyerɛ ne papa nkom. Sɛ ne papa yɛ nneɛma me urade. Wasoma urade ma wayɛ adɔ ya me urade. Na hɔ na ne nua no kyerɛ me sɛ ne papa sisi asɔre dan bebree.
Okay.
Me urade. Nti kyama wutumi wɔ hɔ no, ɔnam hɔ kwa.
Na yɛ sɛ wɔyɛ apamba.
Yes. Yɛbɛka no bɔhyɛ ba.
Ɔyɛ bɔhyɛ ba.
So that's it. Nti kyama wutumi no nyame nsa ɛda no so.
Before obeko please before an sense some ne buy no ne ono akasa kwa ne video bi ababonten a no ono akasa e kase ye de Joseph kopie mu afia.
That is it.
Into ono no hu ne ho se oye political Joseph.
That is it.
It said ne ye beye ni bia no ono no nyame yi nesi wo se oye political Joseph ene se ne ode kwa kopie piase.
That is it. Chama Wuntumi is one of the people what the share from Obifi.
Okay.
What they say ayi e fa ne saying Ediaba wo de share from.
Okay.
Who see na obepeja, obefifi. So I'm just praying. So this will not break him down, but this will rather teach him a lesson.
Okay. Apostle yenhwe ye de chama wutimi ko yi. De bia me ka say Ghana mu achemiru. Ebi ani age.
That's it.
Ebi nso edi areho. And so wutietie nkomo ekoso o monte so adodo na e kire say chama wuntimi ene nkofo bi ani ne yie. Anura mani twa video ba ko so na ye odike. Ya no wono so e kire odiola chama wuntimi de na famu a. Wuntimi wo se woni no ani ne yie kra. Asami ba monte so yi ya tete se MPP penifo ni bi kra frɛ mampeni John Dramani Mahama abra omo che ne foforo no se nka omo de cheopa kra kwa akɔpa chew se we de nka omo srɛ se wo mo nhwɛ na agya ne nua kumano no ka bibia kobɔne a ɔmfa nkyɛ ema President Catherine Pakro no frɛ ne se wɔno krampo de nka de but MPP fo na bi na send ne videos se ɔmfa chema wuntimi entum enti I say ade na ato chema wuntimi no ye bɛka ne se ɛyɛ spiritual nko a ana wɔno ankasa ne act bi ne ne ye bi a ɔyɛ nkɔfo ɛwɔ amanyɔsɛm mu so ka ho bi na de na duru hɔ
asɛm wɔ die mɛka ne sɛ menka sɛ ne yɛ
okay
because as for politics it comes with a lot of things so that's here MPP ni NDC wɔ hɔ yɛ ɔmo nyina didi ɔmo ho atam bia
okay
ɔmo nyina ka bia you know yɛ ka bi fa Akufo-Addo ho yɛ ka bi fa Bawumia ho yɛ ka bi fa Mahama ho deɛ mɛka ne sɛ nano akwakyire
okay
ne nkasa yɛ mu no nano kwakyire because ɛsɛ bia na nka ɛsɛ sɛ wɔka no wɔka but this is not something that will influence the judgment
okay
of what has been given him because yenya man a judgment now some of us have seen and he already given it
okay
so that's here Satan a man a judgment obi in command 20 years obi in chair no obi fa no court nti mi ntumi nka sɛ sunsumu no me meka sa sɛ sunsumu nipa me nka sɛ bia asɛm a ɔka fa ye mampani ho President Mahama ho asɛm a ɔka fa na yɛre ho ɛna amana ko pie fiase anaasɛ obi a wetia ne nan so mmra ɛna ne ne diye nti I would just say it is not the will of God for him it is not the will of God for him
okay odifo sanya wo tre se enye nyame pe de ma no odi kan so hu ye ma wo tre se de nwa bi kra fra wo hu is it say was say esi na esi ana bibia no ma nya mfa ho ti na esi
no you see that is why we tell you what will happen before it happens
okay
emra me hu se chama ntumi gina prison gate na no omo ye hu bibia nkonko because me hu ye na prison gate ni bi
okay
so what that's here me hu se chama ntumi gina ho no no gina ho a prison officers ni no gina ne nchen but ni ye prison gate no
okay
ho na nyame ka chem se ye bom paye no ya kwankyira ne ho akwankyira prison gate ni embia ye mfa no nto enkom. But the gate need be no new remove, he's going to prison. And then maybe do 2025. 2025 last year, and I'm share home come say me what's the prison gate in idea. E bia chemi gutumi enrem. So imagine from that time, you be twaba. Any emra over 1 year. And send a prison gate in AB. That is it. Emma me can prison gate in be as my son on watch channel. Tenye so much channel and I'm back and want some say prison gate in be.
Okay.
So that's it. Emma, even this year, prominent pedophobe said the home common. Many people from pedophobe the home common. Nkophobia me susu say, omo ben no, ombetumi aben ama omotumi ekasa obeti. Say me who say prison gate be, asem na me see so 2025 no. Masanso we say prison gate ni bia macham wutumi, ye de ni rem ha wo ko jail. Na nka me fee say prayer intervention ebetumi save no. Ana otu ho anamo a ebetumi save no. Say some message no edu ne nchen yo. Say endu ne nchen yo. Ene de mitumi kire.
Jama wutumi asem media kwakọ ya rehosem.
Eti wutumi say eni bi pa na me no edi nkoma me ka say.
Okay.
You know am me no edi ho nkomo. Is there na me send there no. Message am me send there no betumi.
Okay, or say I saw the prison gate open and Chairman Wontumi entering the prison and sharing tears. But prayer intervention can save him from jail.
That's it.
From jail verdict because it's not the will of God.
So I keep saying it is not the will because there is a jail verdict waiting him. Because a jail verdict, that's what you see. So now jail verdict, you know, China that.
The whole
China.
Verdicts no any influenced by anything.
No. That thing has been there since 2024.
Okay.
Me the 2024 commission kra actually. And commission me chef an 2024. And sana we nyina e ba be sie. Said there me hu no e wo eniswade hu no. Because I told you that I'm a vision prophet. I follow the visions I see. And I see the things in vision as God revealed it to me. What was it? 2024. You can talk the date.
Okay, 1st October 2024.
That is October. So October, November, December,
okay, so prophecy. I stood on a hill.
Yes.
And the news I'm hearing all over Ghana is that Chairman Wontumi is going to jail for 20 years.
That is it.
And I saw him pushed into a blue police van to Insawam. Wow, and police van blue.
That is it.
And all cause no share yellow and royal blue.
That is it. And if you say 2024, na me maka say me who 20 years. Say you do call 20 na me say you wash a blue van.
Wow.
Say police for no any blue van kwa no. They have other cars. You be to be wash a biamo. But then na me who blue one. Internal sound come she so na ne brother dey frame me.
Okay.
Ma me kan ho asem chire mu say ya mom pa ya ma ni nuana say na beto no. Na say so na beba. Na mom yes batakari adoso. Enti enanu asem no si ya ne bra na frame me ayedi nkomo. Wo so di for we de me de obo be ma wo. Na edi for na adoso. E na wo hu say we ye papa we na ka no kore ana we na nka no kore. Ana mo ni ntu sika de ya sei bi pa. Yes, okay. Nemum dia SSC ye na nemum ye hu na nye na we akoba no. Ti dia ye hia SSC na empire.
When the kan aka say ni jail term ne de enye influenced by anything
that
because na that realms ne de.
Yes.
Sabre woko case no ba ko pempo ne de awie ne ma na 20 years.
For Sabeba there's another jail term.
For Chairman Wontumi again.
Yes.
Wow.
Yes, there's another court case I'm seeing. I know so almost a man another jail term in that case. Yes.
And also 20 years.
No, and we do 20 years.
Okay.
I don't be man more than 5 years.
Wow.
I be back can we.
Wow. And then can maybe say enti sabre before some be kwa appeal. Na lawyers some ba be kwa appeal. Enti can na be say appeal na wo mo be ko no. Bibi papa bet me finance rate abana and I was say another jail service about can is appeal no come home kwa na
no appeal no there's some call the appeal the years will be reduced
The 20 years.
The 20 years, and there'll be a reduction. But it'll be tricky. Yes, it'll be tricky.
Obet me abba 2 years, 1 year.
And then the meet me chillable. Me tears is here, me more umpire who say, I hear you bet your friend one in a but I know say the years will be reduced for him.
Okay.
But obey them kakra. Na the best children near mom paya, and on a misro.
Bibi sense ye chire
Yes, yen say the best children one shall yen tears and power prison.
But if for there the be chire.
Arewo.
Oh, a different, also, yeah, a different. I'm not tired. You mean, Cassana, what you break was no, then the dear Ebano.
Arewa Simbi.
Arewa
Simbi.
And the Facha
was a what 3 1 year and Tiasampa.
Because I was in your men, someone so.
Yes.
It's your maid in the Quack a lesson.
Yes. You see, he will learn a lesson from because it's not the will of God for him.
Until Obro 1 year, Yentias and
yes. Yes, send your men sabit to me also. And then Cofonia may send him Cofosuna, Bibi Tomana.
Okay.
Yamensa do be so on to me. Are you getting me? Yamensa bit me do be by your mistakes. Only ye be a way ye be a bit me as a son. This in Yamensa that was one just a better than what than a ball. And then no chase say over half a ball. And then chase your mistake, your mistakes will not catch up with you. Do you get me? That is what I said. Me cancer chairman would have become the national chairman of MPP. And that is the agenda of God for him. But me can say the only thing that will stop him is the prison gate.
That is he should kiss the chairmanship position, no bye bye.
Yes, because I said the prison gate will stop him, and now he's going to the prison too.
Oh, but then MPP for only be say Stellano or the national chairman or the man Ashanti region MPP.
No,
and Stellano.
And I said me can national, I mean can.
And one more chance of mobile campaign when the Chidia man and the day and
Enfa.
Oh, really?
Enfa. Because I said the only thing that will stop him is the prison. So if he do not go to the prison, he would have become the national, because a chairman would be necessary the national chairman for the MPP. According to the visions of God. Until I'm saying he's going there is not the will of God. Into a man at Tamfunyano.
Wow. And then they made me like I said, Chama wants me in the political career. No, Abayana.
Well, if what I'm seeing happens, then that is the end.
Ediana. For that,
me who say, na unu sadi una news about Ghana na Ghana anti-asepa. But mean to be in Canada, right?
Yenti minye bibi afen chasa asempa na yanti ni mu. Se bibi wo ho
meeting na me say they must make sure he's not there more than 1 year. And I says this about more than 1 year sempa boy day man.
Okay.
Because
is it say na pomudin sisi su ye na?
Be do be no beti na pomudin sem no tia boy dey be go hospital. You be share no be ba be do eche be ka say they will detect another sickness and well
never can say nyamemre much my wounds because we dey owabusua eyere emma ya waje omu nyina ho asabe dey
that's the most
sad
because yesia na ehwe wo ma yesia na ehwe wo yere ono faranse dey nyina ye wo ma ye wo fia ye nim se na ye ma na ye tie se na wo ma ba wo ho na ukoshe baby a wo she na wo ma you could imagine what they will go through. I look at humanity. And I look at what the children will go through, what the wife will go through. So they say, now, paper 20 years, now we're the same.
70, because it's so 50.
That is it. So it's sad. It's sad for me because saying, Quebec say be a one country. But you see, that is what I say, you see. So be constant, no be shown come. Whether you like that prophet or not, to one more.
Okay.
I'm telling you. Whether you like that prophet or not. Because at time no more target me say me NDC prophet. So NDC prophet talking to an MPP auntie. But me NDC prophet. So me NDC prophet and come in Kobwa Baumia man winning the election.
Oh, okay.
That is it.
I said Dr. Baumia we know Sawumi.
Yes, I prayed for him. I did the direction for him.
Okay.
Personally, yes, phone so and I say personally, I visited him. I prayed for him.
Oh, okay.
For him to win. So what does he? I am doing what God will lead me to do because Nyame said Baumia is winning. This Nyame said Muhammad is winning 2024 election. Now me share home command. And then say, you know, me kasa chere wunti.
Okay. Odifo aside say ya na God eli di mo say bia ne paso mesi na obintin ne be wini bibi no. Ya na mo akasa no mo interest bi onipa bi mu say ye de pese ne paso mesi na eba nti no ye won pa ye bibo ye obibi ya on ye be ye de ata ne chia na.
Oh yes, as a prophet your interest can work.
Oh.
As depending on the realms you're operating. So that's it. As a prophet you say there you who know. You know, you who know IGPD koyeye. That was an interest.
Okay.
Because at that time God did not make a choice. The two people were put there. And in the vision I was asked, who do you think will be? Who do you think should be?
Okay.
So that's it. And I said, I choose Yehono because I have to ask about this one and I have to ask about this one. And I said, I choose this one. So that was an interest.
Okay, so MPP so na interest na nyame na catch us say we na befa.
MPP dey na ade bi na nyame ka kire me. Na me hwe sa de na say me boa ba o me ma na we ni.
Nteno na interest.
That is not interest. It is because of what is ahead.
Okay.
I am doing it for the visions ahead. So when we near going ahead, if this one comes, this is what will happen. If this one win, going ahead, if this one comes, this is what will happen.
Okay.
And I look at the vision ahead and I said, okay, if that is the case, and then I say, according to when as I say, Baumia winning. So that's it. So that was not an interest.
Okay.
So because of the vision ahead, Baumia have to win.
Okay. And you can't win yasemi. Oka say World Cup na no ada because they train we you know.
Yeah.
Spain. And a be winning.
That's it.
But okay before I ever share World Cup na say.
Yes, it does it.
And World Cup no pen so na ko na wie no afi na amanfo to Argentina me di fo ahye nkomo o Spain be fa na say Argentina fo be as ehu ya bam but I say you share prophecies e ba ye trend on social media wo any prophet uchi emienu e na mo be ka say Spain e be fa ya mo gina mo na so akosisi e bo ni we ampa so na Spain na fa trophy no. One man boy spiritualist a friend China.
Okay.
Well, also by my prophecy, I think 3 years ago.
Okay.
Or also my prophecy and predictions. And my team square record finals 4 no. And Pioneer and that's our 4 teams no. And I call finals. But for no casa Argentina.
That's it.
And the befa. So we Argentina and to me and fa. Who is saying that to me Jina will not so ama Spain for far cup.
Well, Sunny so dear huni. That is why I don't, most of the time when I'm talking, I don't say prophecy, I say vision. Because I don't talk about, most of the times I don't give prophecies, I talk about vision.
Okay.
That's the difference people don't know about me.
I
hardly give prophecy.
Okay.
But I tell you about the visions I see.
You're dangerous, no?
The vision, that's the dangerous aspect.
It's a difference in there when prophecy and any vision, a difference in the same.
You see, there are prophecies that you give that this is what will happen. That is prophecy. At the we see NABC. That is prophecy. But they are making money. They are making.
Okay.
Are you getting me? So I deal with visions more than prophecies. That is why I don't call myself prophet. What's the name I see from Apostle Worship? You see, so because I work in visions and I operate in the realms of God. Before God, that is what I talk about. Yes. Now I saw this vision in 2020.
Okay.
Na me bompaye ewade ebehu. E wan na me hu say Argentina celebrate 2022. I was looking at the thing and I saw that World Cup number 2022 no Argentina for afa. But before on left this World Cup no on so lose on first match. And I share Hong Kong. I catch the prophet I mean at that time. So this is what will happen because I have I have friends, I have people. Nti me de ho komo ka chom say na besie Argentina ebefa 2022 World Cup. Now nti I got interest in 20 the rest ahead.
Okay.
Nti okay, let me pray and see what will happen also in 2026. And I must say Spain after 2026 World Cup. So what I say. So I was very, I was very, very keen on it because na vision ache. 2020, 2020, and na 2021. Mr. Besha won't come say, me will say Argentina, any Spain, ebo final, but me will say match na koni we na Spain and lift a trophy. And that was the vision.
Okay. Football and politics.
Yeah.
Idea bi a say edifo no mo hye ho komo ya na musura na.
Well, for me, mention come insuro da.
Oh, okay.
Mention come be insuro da. Se nyame ni dia kire me dia menim se bebe.
Because Ghana for say football titiru kra de.
Yeah.
Enya Ghana for nko so yenya asofo bi kra o mo gire mo pulpit so anasa on platform so aka say nyame ni interest e wo football mu.
Me nua the obeka say bia no onim nyame iye.
Oh, okay.
So that's it. If it's a God rules in the affairs of men. Nyame na yosom no. He rules in the affairs of men. Na football na comfort na ebo ana.
Edebi.
Ana football no sorceress na ebo. Ana o hwe football no na eya comfort na aka abomu a omo ebo match no.
Okay.
Nyame manim ye hu kofo ebo football omo bom pai o park no so. Ye hu kofo teams a omo wasofo ana. Ye hu omo e bom pai e de nyonyam hye no manyame ana. So you think God will not have interest in it?
Okay.
Bibia nyame ma wo bia no se me matu kra na wo kwa me nyame me ka ho bi me interest wo.
Ene obi bisa say nyame wo interest wo bo mu a e dey benefits ne be ya nyame.
E ma nyame din so e peja nyame. Who say enkom hye yi ba ya wo kan you compared another prophecies, another predictions. I won't say prophecies. You compare another where you who sorceress and also predictions. We are so diviners giving predictions. Online. We are seeing, ebi a wokan say nanabi. I don't know. They send him like almost the prophecies maybe the predictions maybe send him.
Okay.
And people were saying like this man is very accurate. This man is saying prophet will our prophecy come to pass. A do baby meaning conform penny for last was called as a prophet. Can you change your prophecy?
Wow.
So that the way this thing is going, so that young person will be guasi, young person will be better because of say they are Ghana for the Nakoya ya nearby. As a Ghana ukasi say but so which me see my ya. And now we are no poyen media Ghana for ebe kanye. And young person people that are there betching for a can once more online so no, it is not good for us. So if you can, I said no, my prophecy will stand. Emma make catch them say, you real much cry. I even want to go deeper with them.
Wow.
And I'm just saying, you real much now. Yamal. Any Obusa Yamal. Any Messi Hagi. Yes. Because Messi will hand over football to Lamine Yamal.
Oh, okay.
Because Messi or the international career be
and the next 4 years, you who Messi World Cup movie.
No.
Would you 4 years sure?
Yes.
Next 4 years.
Yes.
You who's a Messi.
No.
World Cup movie.
You won't see Messi again on international football.
Okay.
Club they are fine. Yes. Or they carry another now. The Inter-American Yomujidi and say Messi na chance ni na free Spain and Barcelona. And Argentina for they make Messi.
Okay.
And Spain and Barcelona and they make Messi. It is so in the football career ne ba ne wi a say baby a kuntu yesi kuntu de anichi na ede nti baby a ya page a baby a wie no e ho na yesa asida no ko.
Oh, okay.
And it's necessary Argentina and Spain. And somebody doesn't know the detail of why Argentina and Spain is.
Okay. So because we Messi are on Spain.
Yes, the honor must go back to Spain. What you took from Spain must go back to Spain.
Okay.
So I say, I says a match a handover. It is not just a match. I know said definitely Argentina wasn't going. Everything will be. FIFA can stand for Argentina. Whatever can stand for Argentina. Trump can say Argentina. You will say Israel Prime Minister. Ebe declare support. Argentina. You know, shake him.
Wow. Odi for me, Mr. Say, one my prophecy be a wow, the prophecy in the two or now cut nature now shape of prophecy they made for the but prophecy I'm dear baby. What be sad?
Oh, yes.
Oh, you must show prophecy in one. I am one.
Oh, yes.
Near way.
There are several prophecies I've given. You know, that me myself, when I sit back, I feel like changing the prophecy.
Now, William shows away the intimate.
Yes, especially the plane crash prophecy. When I saw the Black Wednesday, I feel like saying since way.
Okay.
So that's it. Because how can this happen? And two, Mahama ne winning a year mekano 2021. And idea you who want to say mekan number every winning election. Say number 8 and every winning 2024 election. And no me bohu. Are you getting me? Say nebe then numbers na kwa could do 8. Now because I didn't know how it will end. So I just said number 8 and no me say you're done number 8 in every need election. And I'm missing once a mama win 2024 election.
Okay.
And when you see back, especially when you see the things happening, what people are saying, as a prophet, sometimes humanity will come in. And you feel like you have to go back to God and say, God, they are all catching them. You know, but still, I have belief and trust in God.
Okay.
In the visions He has shown unto me, because God has never disappointed me. Me who are they? No.
The Nyame yatro bia.
Me who are they?
So, hwɛ kwan da aba wotiri mu da sɛ ebia ebedru baabi a Nyame bɛyi biribi akyerɛ wade kode ne mmem.
There be because I work with God well. I won't do anything that will take me away from His presence.
That is obi hye nkom na amamu a wafi Nyame presence ana.
Yes, you can go. Nyame betumi jawa wonu se Nyame jawa.
Okay.
Are you getting me? Nyame betumi power wonu se Nyame power. Betumi afi Nyame akwan so wonu se wafi Nyame akwan so. Nti a balance the Holy Spirit is no more leading you. Nkronkron kan ho bio. Nyame nkan ne presence nkan bio. Nti no you will still feel like you are a prophet.
But then yenye adifo bi a wo ma be hwehwe nkom wo nkom hye nambam. Ya wo explanation is say omo nye nyankopon mu ye nipa. Omo be kan ne Nyame ka kire wo so ono wo ka asem ni wi a ne aka ne gina Nyame so be ma na be ma na wo ma ne blame. It is said di ni be hye nkom na nkom hye nambam no interest wo ye difo true for but Nyame na asesa na dwene. Yes,
that can be true. Okay. I don't doubt it. But I'm just telling you that my prophecies will not fail. Because of the kind of relationship I have with God and the kind of realms I operate. And the things I see as a prophet. Right? So, my whole vision now, I didn't change my kanda.
Okay.
Me born I be 40 days. Oh, okay. It be 21 days. Me to meet your vision to 1 year and I can once. Make me to vision that to 1 year. It be me come once about baby.
Okay.
It be me come that me most will be there are some of the vision I'm even afraid to talk about it.
Okay.
El Daho near me slow se make. Yes.
Oh my God, vision.
Oh, vision be me book. Yeah. I have a prophecy book. I don't know so who that. Yeah. Me prophecy book and I'm vision book. And there may be a WhatsApp vision book and me can say national security for my family. Some of the things, if I say it, I will end up in court.
But I idea, Beba.
Yes, it will happen. So that's it. Until me one penny for be a we are gonna penny for. And me they send the woman.
Okay.
Say this is what will happen. If you can see this person and this, fine. This, but me cannot. You be an ear because Nyame ma enyansa. So that's it. Say they be a. Yen kase gift yen fa yen kuwie bebia nsisi ebi
o kan say ebia prophecies be ho no ahwe na de ba national security be fro ni ade no one ma prophecy be nya threat wo ho.
Yes, a lot.
Na ye wo nkom hye.
Yes, some of them, especially ambassador. There is this ambassador that died. The Infinity not your former US ambassador NDC or NDC
Okay.
me share no Hong Kong sending a message Emma was sending a threat.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Vanessa, how do you feel saying Yamia can be biatro na wa koka and now what deliver message no na be on him say message the source and then saka na to send your kind say threat aba na later on your kind na bamu.
Yes, a bemunso. They may catch a bell. But me sending no, we know. You're sending me an effect.
Okay.
You know, and it sound a threat. And me sounds menjawa, me sounds so my baby to one more. How me feel say obey, and this is for no power. I could catch it and say na a besi. It be ya unto an amu say, or catch me banner say or no sorry. On Jesus and your manindi. Into on stress and the pants on keeping the prophecy.
Oh, okay.
So I decided to be there.
And it happened.
Yes.
Wow.
And 2024 election. Make us say, and come shama brewo asafo on pane mama. Ne 2024 yes, ne win election.
Okay.
Ne win prophecy. Because adia ba kwa ne yehu ho say me sha ho come 2020. Esa be sha ho come 2021. Nti 2020 na me sha ho come no mo beto aba. Nti obi adwen aba ho. Obi entertain me. But 2021 almost swear Akufo-Addo in we February. Me be share come say mama be we need 2024 election. I must say MP before opposition 2024.
Okay.
I want to threaten the chance here. Yes. Until you will have messages, you will have calls, a baby castle will kill you before that time.
Wow.
You won't live to see even the 2024. You know, sometimes we'll look for you wherever you are.
And then
even the time came I wasn't home.
Oh, okay.
During the 2024, especially in 2024, because I was harassed by national security, BNIs, and me obi coming because now Baumia office almost time pa, almost tata me pa. Are you getting me? But in you know, my young commissioner mention, me nya de na me kan.
Okay.
Me to me too come me kwana, you know, gangs di mechi. Yes.
Wow.
Yes.
Oh,
it's not easy, and yet easy. So sometimes I don't blame the prophet who have securities around them because it's needed.
But if for 2028, Ghana, you better aba. Meaning said definitely. Hey. Or if for Sebeba so dear.
Mama Tuaso.
That is 2028. Yeah, Tuaba na.
Oh, say 2024 na make us mama ebe you know. 2028 na me tia de bi wo wiem se mama toa so na no se Ghana nyina na me ti wo wiem se abofo ene abode nyina e ka se mama toa so 2028 until that prophecy is still there because me can 2024
ene Ghana fo bi se mu adifo no ma sha se ya se ne wo kema ha matoa so no e ya agenda won se mo no kasa munya influence or members so inti mo kan say nyame na yi ache ye nyame na aka nyame na say Ghana so de yefa nyame se mu ni agro inti na meti me say me sofo say nyame say de nyame me nyame pema no ni akwa akoto aba ni akwa so Muhammad na say mo agenda na mo set de ma Ghana tete mu no na abema mamu na so Muhammad ba be kire say man pani wa be kire say Ghana for man 4 years mandate inti wono ni ministers ne de 4 years no mo hweso be deliver e de ma Ghana for na tete mu de ono wa kan constitution na wo hu say the constitution na kan asem no inti wonye ready say wo be tete ba Ghana for say sa asem na ma pani John Dramani Mahama kan ye no wa bokwan ya to nchen inti say asem na akọ Supreme Court no say interpretation ne ba na favor no pehwem na okọ tete na say asofo no mo agenda na be
de ye hu ne ka because that time na say kai agenda in coming kan 2024 kama twama mama ba power zan maka ye beto aba na meka yo ye beto aba na meka say mama be ya wo be kura na nya 4 years no nyame de ama no
okay
na me wo say 2028 aircon no na me te wo maso say mama to aso and I saw that was when I make reference to 2016 na me say mo say the slogan of 2016 I repeating ni ho e wo 2028
Mahama to
wo say 2016 slogan be na aircon mama to aso until now I was saying say me teach 2016 slogan in 2028 na dia me hunie
okay
me hu say ayese dwumayeni a woye ne dwuma no hye working gear no tie kunwa so woye ne dwuma no wie no betre kunwa no so a oyi ne boot no yi ne working gear ta say I say site for you I don't know how you call them engineers no hye eyi na osha na abofo mi na begina so wunwie wadwuma
oyi yegu ho
yes oyi yegu ho no asori ene yese wunwie ne dwuma so that's it nti on san share back
okay
na owie ne ansa owie ne dwuma ya wontumi nsori ene wontumi nyi boot ne nto wona mo se mama dia esoro pese ene se ade a ye de ahya nansa no wontumi wie 2028 nti ese osa to aso no wie vision no so wie vision ni wia na ato force abeje ato aso for the beautiful Ghana.
Wow. Odifo abano ana spiritual na yeto no ana physical exercise.
There is an influence on election spiritually.
Okay.
What is decided in the spirit and appear physical. Na senye sa enkom she me share say obi abeka se ken but won be koto o mo ka se ken na koto abombeto amaba obi are you getting me ye beto MPP for abey on presidential election you could hear ken everywhere are you getting me but mo koto aban ken onya sen
no
onye
because
sen kaza so no tro ya
ka one na ko average
are you getting me but na ka ken aji baby a obi ase ken you know when I'm ken edu baby krana prophet be friend some say are you sure about me I will win this thing no me say oh they will just say ken but about me I will win me say when I can say ken me can one jele fim kuma say when I say ken e ko to about me to am about me they should show you how spiritually you know election can be influenced.
Okay. Nti me bisa sa no say Ghana ye experience bibi say da.
Yeah.
Say ye nyama mpani bi a obepa bi anai bi a Ghana fo beka say won kotetem ni ade.
Yeah.
And omen so a constitution na ye de ebu oman no. Ebi di asem na kwakoda Supreme Court say on for interpretation no emra. Say ye one term and ye kabo man ye 8 no. Ana say mahama ye man mpani asan abe obetimi asan ato aso biem ansa na ne 8 years no aso. Enti se koba ne se ebia Supreme Court interpretation neba no say okay interpretation neba ban ebia ebe favor say obetimi asan akopie mu a ye be kwa koya amendment to constitution ni mu ye ba beto Ghana fo anim say okay say na de na koba enti e beto yes or no ye say referendum na say bibi enti se Ghana fo so koka say there be a petetem bia say obekọ ana ye peso beto aso bi yes san to aba ne sesemu a e ba ne sa na aha no na professor ne be de na ye dwuma no
eno na be ha Ghana
okay
koso obi ewie na dwuma wo yi na working gear na nyame asoma na bofo enkanche ne so owie na dwuma ya na che se owie 2028 na se me kofi a owie na dwuma ya de nyame asoma na owie
okay
it will affect the nation because the vision will not be accomplished so that say we are looking at the nation we are looking at what is to be done so that say I am not looking at mama as a person.
Okay.
Because mama me shana da menje ne tekuda menje ne simpuada na makoka say me stand for mahama and I say bibi no I've never met him I've never taken anything from him.
Okay.
So that's here me na me de me sika ne me ma horn dey ne me sweat echo all over the region here direction mahama during 2024 because of the nyame ya chere minti. Are you getting me? So nobody has interest here. But we are just telling you what we are seeing.
Odifo looking at ye man Penny John Dramani Mahama ne personality say what say no osusu say obeka say obesan akotetem because chairman for NDC babeka say ne oman no mu ayehye no say so je ni bi pe ne ho asem kofatuo ebetu aban bi gu a say ne boys ne besi aboaje no so because oman ne mu ayehye pa enti asem a general chairman general aka na ohwe ye man Penny John Dramani Mahama obepese obesan akotetem no when say ebia oye na adwene say okotetem a ebibrem ne ye wo no ebetimi akotrega oman asundwe
enyo no na be decide the osura decide na be ho
okay
ti me ka say ebiduru sa no enye mama na be ka say me kotetem it is the people are you getting me na nipa ne hwan nipa ne ho ene mamofo no ntenye mama na beka se me pese me kotetem that is the people that will say we want you to continue.
Okay.
And parliament will approve of it.
Oh, sir. MPP will, you know, become parliament.
Oh, yes, that is why. That is why.
Majority.
Yes, that is why I prophesy. I say God will give Mahama a massive majority in parliament because of the visions ahead.
Okay.
So that's it. Nyame ya na de onya kwa.
Then the Kobana say, yeah, amendment. Some more majority.
Yes, so anything that Nyame ma de, God has given you everything you need.
Okay.
Because of the Nyame planning in here. Any the Nyame be intent, no say so oma we hu aka de. Any the wo hia for the vision to be accomplished. Are you getting me? So if that vision is not accomplished, for the Joshua to continue from where you end, so that we can see the beautiful Ghana, the Ghana we all wanted, then it means we have to bring in premature. And he had never premature, so M1 man on M1 also.
Okay.
Because I don't want us to bring Joshua premature. The David God is preparing, God has not finished preparing him. And God only prepared maybe we mama we times. I that's so.
Say a man penny signed to us or no qua and this name for never be taken back.
Yes. So mama to us and this will be in power to 2040.
MPP.
Oh yes, and this will be in power to 2040. So mama to us so mama to us and this will be in power to 2036.
So one to us.
Yes.
That is the MPP. Oh, the MPP share better say. Sabe de wa be ho dis de so ye man pani osoro akasa so won to aso intend no betimi akodanim se wan to aso kra sela no 2030 NDC4 e be wo power MPP share better say.
Won say MPP share bre e wo Alan Cash nsem. Alan Cash na MPP share bre e share dansa. Nti omo ye man Alan Cash call ye no, it has affected them which they don't know. Are you getting me? Because in Kansas Alan Cash a free MPP. Because that is all their problem. At the end of Alan Cash there. Alan Cash would have won 2028 election for MPP. And then people would have come to power.
Now say you no man call you one so call.
So it depends on the ACA. Are you getting me? Say the person you say, who to me so this is and Casa may call baby. So be being papa. That's it.
Okay.
So when you talk about the MPP, I have said that MPP will go to exile till 2040. That is what I can say.
Wow. Only for there in America, I feel you to June the Nanya Sam Ketwani Ghana. Ye experiences are flood leader. A day for Biaka say, the dear more banners of China Abesenko. It be so just 2027. Never ban quite the news so ye Janabeba. Just say, Professor, the adults be brave, but we are one prophet. We know the Inco Moye Pabin instead of prophecy. In cinema, I mean, say what I mean, say. It is said, and the Benya we say, Yamaka be natural. Maybe a fiaka cram ye dear Kugui, let's see a bedroom in the end in America.
Okay. Now, this year, make us say, a dear Beha, your climate changes, your climate challenges. And I don't come share me share for America. Me share yan chene by. Say you be who rainstorm any flood of America. Mami bo cities a be seen na ewo ho. Na media men so de me ya na me san so de asene benefo. Media men come share de enye bia na me come abonte. Cause me ya en come share nkwan ni o. We en come share nkwan.
Oh wow.
We en commission kwan. We en commission kwan. We nya en commission kwan ni o. Bon, commission kwan. On say pedi commission kwan. So what I say. Nti me de enya ya no me de send one a me feel say you know they will take part in it because flood dey e kan one me de send one say there will be flood in June specifically me can say June. But we are praying that it won't happen again.
Okay.
It won't happen because what happened here, we didn't like it. So I am praying that such flood will not. I did remember a show. Are you getting me? That after the rain there will be a lot of heat, but I know we will survive heat. They say, and we'll go through it. Now, make America say America. Until America should get ready. America should get ready. for more flood and more rainstorm.
Wow.
Yes. BCC ewo baby to say Texas.
Okay.
Texas.
Okay.
Nti make cano Texas pa na Texas ebisi wo California, ebisi wo Florida. Ebisi wo Orlando, Virginia and North Carolina. One for an example.
North Carolina.
When I watch a crema. Yeah.
Okay.
And a honor adiana ebisi a flood any rainstorm any ebisi wo. Na nyamesa menkanche aban say womunsi military infantry ya fan say ewo central region.
Okay.
Central region ya kan example
Bibi ba
ade bi besi won potem ho.
Central region ho.
Yes. Na ye here military base ewo central region. It was central region. So aban hwe na omunsi military
base.
camp.
Okay.
On soldier for camp. It was
Central region.
Yes, it should be kind of infantry. You would be your friend on until they should build it there. And then I'll come to which one again? Okay, so it is here. Please, I saw a vision coming, and the Lord said to me, government should establish an infantry battalion in central region. Infantry battalion. It was central region. Yes. And a food shortage, so they make a once until another day. Yes, but then Ghana, Europe, and America.
Okay.
And 2% invest, I also who pay baby their covers and fund or two credit, you know. Fakodofu. Yes, it will be in high demand.
Okay.
Food shortage, the American, Europe, almost America, Africa, Pediani.
Okay.
Are you getting me? And also, now, a buying train in Ilubo border.
Okay.
Ilubo border, when you may be Kosovo. A buying train in India.
Odi for nema ben sa na
ya ni afre bi ntoma aye kwa enti aban hwe ho na aban hwe ho nso a na on check boat a cross Tano River boat na cross Tano River Mwelubo side o se ne ya Welubo side na Tano River no
okay
boat bi a cross Tano River no aban check mu aban check ho
boat nim
yes
enema wo
yes omon check omon check and small scale miners ni aban no you see there is something going on anyame da ne dia kire me say you know say aban ya de we ya ebeboa Ghana say small scale miners no they are getting more but they are under declaring, especially those working with the foreigners.
Okay.
Especially when I need foreigners and too good no mine no omo ya den
omunya ne bebre
but the omo catch aban no iswa the eba aban no iswa and God told me that they should make them okay. They are making more money by paying less to the government. And the Nyame catch them is the government should upgrade them to medium scale mining, so that they can pay more tax.
Okay.
Are you getting me? When you know your dear baby woman, and ye ba discover minerals in Ghana.
Oh, okay.
Ghana says no. And check ye ba discover minerals.
Ewo mi aye ben.
Ewo. It will go across the whole Ghana. Benye bi or north, benye bi or Volta, benye bi or central, benye bi or eastern region. Until very soon, we say Ghana nyina no. There is going to be a lot of discoveries of minerals in Ghana. In the most places strategically, we are going to discover oil, gold, precious stones in Ghana.
Okay.
That is a blessing to the nation because it will be a blessing to the nation. And commissioner me share for the new city hono. Say Kumasi, it will say be Kosovo. Because there is going to be a new city. So there's going to be a new Accra city. Sa city no. You be moving ministries in the Accra, and they are called a city no. And many people will want to stay there more than Accra.
Not say there's a san Accra, say be Accra nye city view.
Yes.
But the new city.
Yes.
Accra.
That is it.
Okay.
That is it.
Okay.
A whole you be movie city, you be movie ministries, you be movie some kind of and you may be a Accra, be movie ako.
Into cities ni be yemi ana.
There will be a new city.
Okay.
There will be a new city. There will be banks there. There will be factories there. There will be companies there. You know, I want to be a fair pa.
Okay.
Man for no. Ghana for no be pese. Obi a be pese obeko. Akoye akodi juma wo ho. Enkom hye no doso, mitumi nka ni nyina ho. Enkom hye doso.
Enka ne beboa ne ye Ghana dia ne ye Ghana dia no.
Ebeboa ye so. Na won e be lose one city. Say na me kan ho asem. NDC for MPs e be lose one city. NDC.
Ebe lose one city.
Yes. Emre bi mi hu say 17 mi say esa ko nenim.
17.
Yes, ko nenim kura kan.
Omo be lose.
Yes, on be lose. Me hwe 2028 no mo ni parliament.
Omo amom ho mode wo constituency.
No mo ni parliament. Nti bi primary sa ni omo yi bi afio. E bi nso main election na chese. Omo parliament resume na me hu omo parliament.
Oh, okay. And I mean, besides, I said, woman, you might maybe woman, ho modern, and I be bina or nipan on the popular who are then channel.
And dear, Ubayana will lose. So,
okay.
So that's it.
NDC MPs,
yes.
More than 17.
More than 17. So it's a correct, it could be 20. It goes so I call air cost over.
What of fair no obey the Captain Smart say or corporate MP Ogumwa?
Yes.
At the same.
Oh, Captain Smart will sit to parliament. Oh, mission on come, mission on come.
Baby, so we knew.
Oh, one a casa.
Oh, we did for be say Captain Smart and forget it.
Yeah. Many Captain Smart a program. Now you can MPP primaries in once. That was in January. The way I'm in an office. I'm the captain. You miss me who say, Yame, a you with my account, do I got parliament? Me who say Yame I then.
A you never Mike, then a co parliament.
But I'll come back. But I'll cook on dear, we'll see to a parliament.
Okay.
Until idea will honey but captain will go through. Some of us, if God tells us, will say they were A+. Bumpy A+ coming in Shanada, but my corner constituency better 3 times.
Okay.
Me Shanada, but Yame can who's some chile. My corner constituency during the election, yeah, better 3 times. Emmanuel, every need it. Into a Kaoma, me can't be winning.
Okay, so more fees will come one now.
That be A+ income.
Okay. Okay, so they were maintaining
A+ wall.
And a captain so be
Captain Bekako come. Yes, me can only get the chief for some. But on Obia make us or cool one day on a chief FIFA. In fact, and you may be season at also.
Okay, the shady.
Yes.
Obey me after.
Lady and bed. The dear now corner on you.
And then graduation. Yeah, na ayi ne hye ne kon a o togu ne na so o de akwakwa ne graduation
onko so anto na
o di fo so onko so anto
na ayi ye kan wasem say
o di fo so
ye kan wasem say Chinese for no ya me woni so de bi humani am anje ho me won setema nyina ada ne China town
tema
the whole tema na Chinese for aje tema nyina.
Okay. A date on budget, be pure ha. Yeah,
no set a mass sitting in Adani China for them.
Okay.
Not Ghana for far Gapoa, Ghana for far tall, Ghana, may say Ghana for a year friends. China for far Gapoa, no more fat tall, no more sassa, sending your media.
Ah, almost for China, they say assassin.
I'm catch you.
Tell my assassin in
your media.
Saying so much.
What the massage is be I mean, say China for far.
Eh, what day?
Yeah. Nti abai enye careful. Na omo regulated the Chinese dominating in the country. Because enye hankwan, enye temankwan no befa. Emre bi ba no, one shot there will not be any Ghana for you.
But therefore, what the beautiful Ghana?
Yes.
And there will not be any Ghana.
So we have to tell you the good and the bad and the ugly.
Okay.
See, and can we answer? We're better than we have them. Into what we are seeing, it must not happen. And they say, "Yami, Papa, you know you born naturally." Say the baby, who say no bit to one more. Because me who say, Chinese for I did not a agenda be a Chinese and buying a man and call for a year or Ghana. It is or no more or sponsor one free home.
Okay.
Into no sponsor bar, no more to way, to assassin way, to building way, to way, into baby pound better. Temanina.
Okay.
Yes.
Into when you did a bit,
it's almost we are on the name it Chinatown. Not for targeting Ghana. On Beji minerals. On Beji and Sassy, on Beji and Yamapena. To the next in Kofua, most you know, we should be careful. Because you are not careful.
Between
the China government will own Ghana.
Wow. Didn't mean for.
And tell me, see a mumpina, a pino. Yes, so now out to Tony Mamanko. They must be regulated. They must be regulated. And come shade who are wouldn't we say China for now a business or Ghana Hano. Yamia come once a much. Say be brainy bag account. In the transaction of Muyanano, Iyoko, any GRA into interest. Tomunias cannot pen on their China. Yes. That is it. I don't know cost.
China for not by a crew.
Yes. It's a buy money and co China businesses. By the money, when you media, I've said it. We need China businesses. We never caution those who know about 70-something prophecies.
Only for gentlemen can I ever know. BB, what person they chat to my beer, Professor Baku, who was a radio, there was so minor shots in the movie and Panaka. Your fans are so.
No, Bakubia, my person made a chat to a Dawson Tiana. A Yanani Hono. Akwayasem. Name Mono Yam Paye. Nami who say, you're from saying Boko Haram for Boko Haram. Any Sango for militant, Ghana.
Wow.
You check your borders.
Okay.
You check your body near my border and you're tight. No, so we Ghana. Now, a day cost for Ghana, so much that you kidnapping and coffee. Now, Oma for me base or Ghana. Now, Omo Benwa, who say Omo ya militant. A baby chase youth, a baby dress as a coat. Eddie Abem. A baby so bear say one now, and yen in Chino.
Fulani for.
Yes. Son of the baby.
Okay.
Son of the baby.
Odi for me, say, near what came in a bino as a gusun. Near what's a bino to one a mono. We did say will be to one a more, send a bay now my Ghana. Young Conkupitani should do for it, they make us say, near crack crackness. The
crackness a reshuffle.
Odi for reshuffle. I'm a minister be a marshal.
Yes, minimum ministers have a good.
Reshuffle by hate.
Yes, I can mention their names.
Beats me, my just maybe Minister Ben Osha. A big castle reshuffle by the any greater Accra Regional Minister. No. The very shuffle the fast cry.
Oh, you nipa ba kwa me penasem. Me penasem pa. I don't know why they are calling greater because me who minister be a pressure than also change greater Accra minister.
Oh.
Are you getting me? Yeah. You see, Accra is so big in such a way and the demand of Accra cannot be compared to Kumasi. Won't mean compare Volta region. Are you getting me? Won't mean compare OT region? Because OT regional minister, what's in Nka? Then no here. Because central regional minister, what's in Nka? Then no here.
Okay.
Because I brought a half regional minister, what's in Nka? If the regional minister, you need more dimpo. Do you understand me? But because of the demands of Accra, you don't go to what won't mean yet.
Okay.
Are you getting me? Ebia Bako, then no mutume. We have seen pressure, all the pressure is in Accra.
Okay.
All the ministers are in Accra. So how can you certify Accra?
Okay.
Nipa behavior.
Sakra ha no adwuma na no so no
adwuma na no so no wonna hwɛ ma menka nkyerɛ na me visiti ministers bi na me wasɛde bi a me bɔ mpae ministers bi nti I have to visit some of the ministers in their office ti me mpanyinfo kasae na me kɔ ministers ni bi hɔ abɔ mpae ama wo na me kodu Accra regional minister hɔ na ayi okɔ hospital ayi a yɛde hyɛ wi
drip
abɔ ne nsa
wow
awɔ de yɛ adwuma na mbisa sɛ na then wo yare why won't you stay in the hospital when was a prophet the demand I can't sleep in the hospital
wow
so imagine obi na o yare that hospital was me in that hospital mo de mo ma me drip no na me nko me time so se ba ba gi drip me ba ba gi what again what then be no onye awan na ko onam no twa hwe ye e no wuye me utunu se ma me yare I look at them and I was shocked. Why won't you relax? But you see the demand, the pressure. You can't.
They are not being fair.
They are not being fair. Yes. Oh, I know what will happen, but they are not being fair to her.
I said, Beckham.
They are not being fair to her.
Okay.
They are not being fair to her. Me, I feel that she's doing her best. Okay. She's doing her best because Accra is Accra. Are you getting me? Minister do wada o. Obi amfre no pressure bi na no so. Asem bi ensi ye. Hwe flag dey si wo Kumase. Ade a ye bo Franka Mako hene din wo. Se wo ya de so obeye wa Accra yenhu half mpo yenhu.
Okay.
Wo do pa yensesa Accra regional minister. Emfa nko Kumase. Ne emfa Franka Mako hene mbra Accra. Na hwe. Now you say we be born in Adechi Abeka say you know. Because you have East Legon in Accra. You have Transaco in Accra. Are you getting me? The be a war Accra no the demand is high. And penny food in Accra. Companies in Accra.
Okay.
So Accra is so big and heavy. It's a load. You can't do all. Maybe minimum say or born a home. Are you getting me? I've not seen minister be hardworking more than her.
Oh, sir.
No, I've not seen. Not all the ministers. I'm talking about the regional ministers.
Okay.
I'm not talking about all regional ministers. The castle ministers on board. They make me account to force, and they make me account Ginapo, and they make me account foreign minister.
This is lights no more soon. So no say Sarisha for Canaan.
Why?
Energy minister.
Oh no, why they make me a rich energy minister?
Sir.
Who is working? Do you know what it takes? It be ye.
And so be uncle.
Come again.
Obiang.
Oh, minimum Webeko. Minimum wrong positions are on Beko.
Okay.
Oh no, I know them.
So can you mention the names?
Oh, pass one of you. If you want me, count best my police. I'm an abamisuti.
Oh, send the Bianca. What can who putting on his toes? Not as a on yet maybe a blitz. Will be a couple Kenyan why you manage me as a winner.
Sir, what a Mompire.
Education Minister.
Mompire.
Reshuffle.
Land and Natural Resource Minister or Mompire. Then Casa Reshuffle, Miss Mompire.
You need two.
Miss Mompire. Or Mompire.
Okay.
Transport Minister and any deputy, you know, so or Mompire. So that's it.
Okay.
So that's it. Miss Mompire. Send pie body. Are you getting me in pie body? Mompire. Do me look on Mompire. So I say, Agric or Mompire.
Okay.
Or no cry, no call natural resources. Can be bored. Mina mission comes over Agric, but
you quite fool. And so, well, who the Jumanisuiana?
I say, Criayono.
I can do none of white in Tiana.
I say, Criayono, I shall done in them fat.
The second boy I didn't have a Criani power, yet deputy, the year to say.
And you know, do it into a more, a bed come. So I wish I for a better chance, Anaba. And check.
Okay.
They are sharing maybe Sir Ramsey would be a pet, Richard for November.
Maybe I think when they be at the Abana.
Me more specific date and a time. No be Uncle Dan also, Uncle pretended. But I know exactly when they'll be reshuffled. I know exactly when and how. And I've seen the list on the table. I've seen the meeting going on, and I've seen names that are being written.
Wow.
For reshuffle, yes.
Wow.
And I've seen those who are coming. Yes.
Okay, Odifo, you can say ministers here on my back could be 2 years. Why not? Upon whom they power best five, and now
Best five.
that's the best five.
Ato Force.
Okay.
Ato Force.
And finance.
He's my best minister.
Okay.
Then I come to foreign affairs.
Okay. Okay.
I love that man.
Ebisu Kasadu.
No.
Assembly was a better
foreign minister be a magana hawaye juma chain. Aye, Okujeto Abraka.
Okay.
No. Do you know what Okujeto is doing? Do you know how he's putting Ghana on the globes?
Okay.
So what I say? No more about energy.
Abujinapo. Okay.
The guy is working. Guys, now we like to dinner so no. Do you know what it takes? I do some Mayan. Do you know what it takes?
Okay.
Yes, the guy is working. He's working. And I want you. Aka one. Seven about three.
What about finance? What about foreign affairs? What about energy?
What about energy?
Okay, Akatu.
Akatu. One be guy for no crown put there. You know.
A great papa no. So what the can't say deputy name one pie, but
yeah.
A great minister and Cassan say.
Or born home more day, but I don't see
pockets and get no a mouth.
So I say, Gokono crumple, me I should say Gokono. In your form.
Okay.
It's in Gokono, I don't know whether they are there. Or whether they've also gone. And the main fan and come. And Aquawe so. He's working, but the work no because any issue you know. You know, you won't see the work he's doing. Road and highway minister.
Okay.
So what I say, Abuja.
Yeah, Abuja.
Abuja. Or ye Juma, but the Juma name P. Until you can't rate him. So what I say. But for him, he will not be reshuffled. He's working.
Okay.
He's working.
Yebenya defense minister.
Yes.
Yebenya.
Yes.
Yebenya.
Yes.
Reshuffle lesson, but not Yebo defense minister.
Oh yes. Yes.
Oba na bema.
Me who oba de me who bema.
Nti betuma possibly say deputy na be take over na. Buja Jemfi.
That would be the best.
Okay.
Because the Americans and say, I've looked through and I've watched through and I see the visions of all those who are in names and can say I were in line for defense. But ni nyina mwa ban no.
Nti deputy no.
Ni nyina emboa mahama.
Okay.
Because it will be used against him.
Nintem bisa oba na be man be sure say bia unim nintem bisa oba what be bi ba wutrim.
Yes. Oh, you want to talk about Senator?
Ghana 40 pennies enko be very good.
She will not be the best.
Okay.
For a reason.
What is the reason?
She can get an appointment but not defense. And to me, according to Niama Mehunino, I've put this one there, I've put that one there, I've put that one there. I keep changing defense to see who will fit that place.
Okay.
Maybe how long am I to
defense?
Yes, to see. Name fit.
Okay.
Maybe the senator to her, it didn't fit. Are you getting me? So the best person I've seen for Mahama is the
Buja Jemfi.
Buja Jemfi. So Onumu enye the main minister. Niemfa Sapa pay for James Agaga. Infant deputizing.
Okay.
Omunebebua Mahama Bayan.
Okay. What ministers no nya for Zianko West ministers ne o West minister we ka say hwana. Interior minister Muntaka.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm one of them. There is a richer for Beckham.
Oh, I just said, you know, maybe Kanka say there is a place for him, but interior is not for him. Mr. Sam come here and say, "Omoba by." Into because interior is for Kofi Boakye. Whether you like it or not, I keep saying it, and I'll continue saying it. Whether you do whatever, I don't care. Say MPP for better time, na most more time media. I will say it because my cancer no more power. Are you getting me? Say me who say interior they are man, but enye dia e Kofi Boakye dia.
Okay.
So I will say nemo bi oho no because interior no say holidays in Kwani na interior na juma na so. Are you getting me? We need somebody who have the depth of interior, which is Kofi Boakye.
Okay.
And I'll continue to say it because for no na nyame person interior.
On never Ghana.
On no never Ghana.
Okay. Odifo we dey medase pa ya wo ko e din ko mo pa se bibia no we dey ni nyina asa na
asem go wo ba tende chire
achire ko samba kro bi di o se kejebi ya kare ejebi e se dey abusia kejebi aha ade ye ko mo twetwe ni nyina ebesi wo na ema sorry na ema edifu sem eye ni kan se reshafo ni nyamba na so difo tinya tena ha ehu reshafo no ahyehye etimi ehu ni obefete the defense ministry no ede ma mampani John Dramani Mahama zene wuzia so wusa ha ayetuma kanea no na abo ne nika fenti no ya na dia chira ko mono so de ye wi ti bese se ubeja comment no comment section ho dia mama all the social media handles no too much gh o subscribe like ya share na for social media